Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to enter safe mode on Google Pixel 9a. Let's begin! In order to enter safe mode, all you have to do is press and hold power button and volume up button. Simultaneously, though I would advise you to have your screen unlocked. And now, all you have to do is press and hold power off. Now we can reboot our device into safe mode. We hit OK. Our phone will restart, and after the restart will be done, our phone will be inside the safe mode. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.